Always wonder which cleaner works best for things. So here I am. I'm going to try these 3 different cleaners. First I sprayed some Easy Off. Now I'm going to put some Barkeeper's Friend in the middle, and I'm going to try some of this pink stuff on this side. I've been seeing this everywhere and I just had to try it. Everyone that I've seen use the pink stuff uses a toothbrush, so I did that as well. Since I'm using the powdered Barkeeper's Friend, I needed to add some water. Just water, and I'm using a pumice stone. Last, I'm going to use the Easy Off. I did spray it first, and that's because you should let it sit before you use it. This is actually pretty soon after spraying it that I'm doing it. And for Easy Off, of course, I'm using a pumice stone as well. Now it's time for the big reveal. And it looks like the winner is Easy Off by a landslide. Don't be a fake fan and subscribe.